Microwave cookie dough pots for 2. Baked and ready in 5 minutes? Yes please. The perfect quick, easy and delicious dessert for 2 for any occasion. Check out the ingredients, they're also below. To start with, add your butter and sugar and rub them together. Next, add the egg, flour and vanilla and mix again. Then add the chocolate chips and mix again. Then portion between the 2 ramekins evenly. Cook them in the microwave for 70 to 100 seconds. I went for 100 seconds. You can also judge for yourself if they need to be in a little bit longer, but don't put them in for too long because you don't want them to dry out. Once done, grab a spoon, add some ice cream and enjoy. Let me know if you've tried these. What occasion would you make these for? And let me know how you get on. Like and subscribe for more.